Hi everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. And if you're new here, welcome. And today I'm gonna be doing another makeup tutorial. So keep on watching. Okay, so I'm gonna be using this product here first. It's a concealer. I'm gonna use this to cover scars on my face. So this is the color. And I'm gonna be using this brush. Actually, this is cream. It's concealer. And I'm using my finger to blend the concealer so it doesn't look like patchy. Okay. Okay. There you go. The next I'll be using, this time I'm gonna be doing my eyes first, eyeshadow first, putting the shadow first, and I'm using this product again. And I'm gonna be using this color. Okay, and I'll be doing the bottom using the same color. Okay, so next gonna be this color I'll be using. I'm gonna be using this color here, the darker one. Here. Putting eyeshadow. Eyeliner. Sorry. Okay, so next I'll be using this product. Okay. And then let's go on here. Here. Okay. Here, I'm using the sponge. Okay. Next, I'll be contouring my face using Fenty Beauty by Rihanna. This color here. Okay. Okay. And this. Sorry, I'm pressing it because I was looking bones where it's. Okay. Then I'm using the sponge again. You can also use a brush. Let me try this one first. Okay. 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 Yeah, this here also. Okay, so I'm gonna be using the highlighter. This one again from this Fenty Beauty. Okay, Rihanna again. This one here. Put it here. Okay, and then here. Nose. And here. I always like to put some a bit here. Okay. And sponge again. And dab it. And here. Okay. Okay, and then you know what? I'm gonna be putting which one here? I'm gonna be using this product here, the eyeshadow by MAC. So here's here. More here. Okay, so next is the mascara. Okay, so this one here first. This side. And for mascara, I'm using this one again. Sorry, my nose is itchy. So, okay, next I'll be using this one, this product. It's the highlighter, I believe. Yeah, highlighter drops this. Okay. Okay. Yeah. This is the final look. It's natural. Hope you guys like it. Thanks for watching. Bye.